As some of you may be aware, Fridays are usually the slowest trading day of the week. There might be just one really good stock that rips it, but for the most part, there aren't very many press releases on Fridays, and some people just choose to call it a week early and relax until the next trading week begins on Monday. So I thought I might make Fridays my day to post lessons for you guys. And so let's just dive right into the lesson. So the first lesson that we have here is on an introduction to trading, I guess, and types of trading strategies and technology involved in trading. The key things I have in the slide I've highlighted in red, so if you want a greater detailed look at it, I suggest you simply just Google the terms and find them online. They're all over the place. So what is trading? Well, if we were to throw that question over onto Google and ask what trading is, Google tells us that it's the action of engaging in trade. So, what's trade then? It's to buy and sell goods and services. I feel this definition is limited. I think a better definition would probably be to buy and sell goods and services in an attempt to yield a profit. And in our specific case, for the purpose of this discussion, we'll simply say that trading is to buy and sell financial instruments, which will be our goods, expecting to yield a profit. And so the financial instruments that are possible to buy and sell out there are, this probably isn't all of them, but the most that I can possibly think of are, the most common ones are stocks, options, futures contracts, currencies, both fiat and cryptocurrency. Now, what kind of trader you are or what kind of trader you plan on becoming largely depends on the type of trading strategy you use. So if we're taking a look at these trading strategies that I've listed here, they're split up into two main categories, technical analysis or fundamental analysis. The font here in white represents the types of traders. So day trader or swing trader or position trader, and what distinguishes these is the length of time that you hold on to the security for. While the fonts in red here are the actual strategies themselves. For example, scalping would be a really quick in and out entry into a price where you go in with large volume hoping to make a large enough profit on a very small price movement. Whereas shorting is actually where you'd make money when the stock price actually plummets. The rest of these on the fundamental analysis, you would compare over these values over a course of time from the company's previous performance. Now let's take a look at the technology that's involved in trading. So in the past, it was largely people trading with people, but now it's people trading with people as well as people possibly trading with computers as well. And of course, the key words here I want you guys to take away from here is algorithmic trading and automated trading system. So technology isn't perfect, of course. With the implementation of technology, if the technology fails, then inevitably here the markets will too. And an instance of that was in 2010 during what was now known as the flash crash. Another instance where a flash crash occurred was on the GDAX exchange in 2017. However, this is not related to the stock market, and I only put this in here solely for informational purposes for those of you who are interested. Right, so the preventative measures here that were taken in order to prevent market crashes was with the use of trading curves, which are more commonly referred to as circuit breakers. In summary of this lesson, feel free to ask yourself the following questions. Do I have a strategy, or am I just aiming aimlessly? What tools should I use now that I know that I'm trading with people and computers? What should I do if a circuit breaker goes off in the middle of my trade? And as always, thanks for watching. Feel free to hit like for this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below and I will get back to them as soon as I can.